Hello guys, I'm gonna quickly show you how to import any image as a reference to your 3D project. For example, I want to model this sword and it's pretty simple. But the first thing you want to do is go to edit, go to preferences, and here you just have to type something like import image, and it's only one add-on called import export import images as splice. You just have to check it there, and now you don't have to just place plain all the time. You just need to go to the images as planes. You just look for any image you have. It doesn't even have to be PNG file or formats. You just need an image like this, and now you can just play with it as the reference, go to the back and create anything you want.